Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It is a new week in CVS and I am finally back at being able to do videos. The flu took us out for a few weeks. So here are all the deals that we can grab this week, the week of Christmas. All the deals are good through 12/28. So follow me around and let's check them all out. Depending on your store, there is a money maker on JOA Cosmetics this week for a lot of folks. Now, I say depending on your store because not all stores sell JOA Cosmetics. That's the fun part. So here's the moneymaker. They are running an extra care buck. It's an unadvertised deal in all areas that have them for $7 in extra care bucks back when you buy $10 worth of JOA Cosmetics. And the CVS Coupon Center is printing a $3 off any JOA Cosmetics store coupon. Guys, that makes them $10 back or off basically with any $10 purchase. So what you want to look for, lipsticks are $4.99. Grab 2 of them. You're going to be 2 pennies short. You'll still get that $7 reward. So you're going to pay $9.98 minus the $3 store coupon, pay $6.98, get back a $7 reward. So completely free lipsticks if your store sells JOA. Not all stores do. So use CVS.com, look for JOA, and then look for in-store. And it should show you the stores that actually sell that product in your area. So in my area, the store that I visited today does not have it, but I have been in stores in town that do have it. So you just have to hunt it down if you want that freebie. So it's not a moneymaker, but it's a deal we don't see very often. Pantyhose this week. Buy $10 worth, get a $4 reward, and there's an Ibotta offer for these. So the Ibotta offer is for any legs pantyhose, and it's $1 back, but the limit is 5. So grab 2 of them. In my store, the cheapest one is $5.99. Grab 2 of them. You get $2 back from Ibotta, get back a $4 reward. You're saving $6 on pantyhose. It's gonna make these $5.99 ones come out to be $2.99 a package. There are, I think the most expensive is $6.59 for the singles, or you could grab the double packs at $8.99 if you wanted. You only need $10 for the reward, so I wouldn't go super high on what you grab. I'd try to stick as close to $10 as you could, but definitely take advantage of the Ibotta offer. That is a limit of 5, so the more packs you buy, the more you're gonna get back, and the $4 reward. Our really great price on Eucerin is back. If you've already grabbed this deal, you can keep grabbing it. So Eucerin this week, buy $20 worth of Eucerin or Aquaphor, get back a $10 reward. Guys, that's 50% back right there. But we have a really high value coupons. So Eucerin, we've got a $3.50 printable. Aquaphor, we've got $3 off coupons that were in the 12/8 inserts. So mix and match here, grab whatever you want, $20 worth, use those $3 and $3.50 coupons, plus check your CVS account. I've got $3 back or off on any lotion purchase. These count. So use your store coupon, use manufacturer's coupons. That's up to $9 off. It's buy 20 and get $10 in rewards. So you see where we're going here. I mean, in theory, that's 50 cents for each lotion. So grab 2, try to get as close as you can to the $20. Again, mixing and matching. So a couple of ideas on the Aquaphor. The cheapest or the best option is to grab this Aquaphor body spray if you could, because that's one of the $3 coupons. So that's a $12 product. So let's pair it with an $8 product if we can on the Eucerin. You know, play the game, use a calculator. CVS with a calculator always makes for better deals. It's okay if you have to hang here. Leave the kids at home, but bring a calculator. Grab $20 worth, use the $3 store coupon, use $3 or $3.50 manufacturers, and get a crazy good deal on lotion. Okay guys, there's an unadvertised moneymaker on Yes 2 products this week as well. And this week probably more unadvertised than normal for CVS, because this week's CVS ad was actually really short, what they printed and published. So I had a feeling we'd get to the store and find other things. Masks are included in the deal, even though you'll notice they're not tagged in my store. When you buy $10 worth of Yes 2 products, you get back a $7 reward. Pretty sweet. Check the coupon center, because a lot of folks are getting $5 off any 2 Yes 2 products. Guys, this makes it a moneymaker. So grab masks that equal $10 and then use that 5 off 2 store coupon. Get back $7 in rewards. you've got an easy money maker. So hopefully you have the store coupon. If you don't, you're still gonna end up paying $3 for them in the end, which if you were gonna use it on any Yes2 products, it's not a bad price to buy 10 and get 7 back. But hopefully you have the store coupon and you're good. One other store coupon option that you could mix with other products. I also have a store coupon for $5 off any $22 purchase of facial cleansers. So I could grab the Yes2 deal. I could grab a deal that is also running on other products and use that store coupon on facial cleansers and moisturizers. So if you don't have the Yes2, don't be super discouraged because you could make a deal with other products and other store coupons. There's a very good deal on paper goods and laundry detergent again this week, especially if you keep getting that $10 off $40 household coupon. I keep getting it, guys, and I am not complaining. So hopefully you are also getting it. I also have store coupons for $2 off toilet paper, $2 off Tide detergent, $2 off all detergent. Like, CVS, I love you. That's just all I have to say. So there's 2 different deals on paper goods. If you want to blend these together to use that 10 off 40, that's going to make the best deal. So deal 1 is a buy $30 worth of a bunch of products, mix and match, and get a $10 reward back. Scott is included here, so go with the Scott Comfort Plus, go with the Scott 1000, whatever you want. Grab at least $20 of paper goods there or laundry detergent. There's also diapers included in this deal. You'll see all the participating items if you head to southernsavers.com/CVS. So grab $30 worth. Just make sure $20 worth is household related so that we have half of what we need for that 10 off 40 store coupon. I'm gonna go mostly paper goods because we can always use more paper goods in our house. So you can use manufacturer's coupons here. Remember, the goal is $30 before coupons. Start pairing in all those manufacturer's coupons. You're gonna owe way less than $30. You're still gonna get back that $10 reward. So that's the sweet part. Now, the second deal right next door is on Charmin and Bounty. They're $6.99 for the 6 mega Charmins, and Bounties are further down the aisle, but they're $6.99 for, it's like 6 packs that normally equal 8. Who knows? It's toilet paper and paper towel math. But they're $6.99 a piece. Grab $20 worth and you're gonna get a $5 reward. So really that's grab 3 packs worth before coupons. There is a digital coupon here, that's it. So you can use a $1 coupon on the Charmin, you could use a $1 coupon on the Bounty. That 3rd pack, I'm not gonna have a coupon for it, but I've got that 10 off 40 store coupon. So that's the goal here. So grab $20 worth of Charmin and Bounty, $20 worth of the Scott and the Cottonelle and anything else that you wanted. Viva is part of that as well. And then start to pair in the coupons, the store coupon, the 10 off 40, the manufacturers, and you're gonna have a really great price on paper goods. This is a great week to stock up on cereal. Who would have thought at CVS? So they have Kellogg's, General Mills, and Post all on sale for $1.99 a box. And we've got coupons for every single one of them. So bring in your $1 off 2 coupons. Post has 50-cent offers in Ibotta. Kellogg's has $1 off 2 coupons. You're gonna pay $1.49 just after the coupons, but it can get better. I have 2 different CVS store coupons for cereal this week, which is a rare one for me. So I've got a $1 off $5 worth of General Mills. That means grab 3 boxes, use your store coupon there. You're basically gonna save 33 cents off of each box, plus you're saving 50 cents with the manufacturer's coupon. So guys, we're down to like $1.16 a box now on General Mills. Or I also have a store coupon for $2 off $8 in breakfast. You could use them both. So if you've got those, stock up and grab what you need to hit those store coupons. You do have to buy $8. So with the deals, I can be a few pennies short. With store coupons, I cannot be a few pennies short. So if I'm gonna use that $2 off $8 in breakfast, I actually have to buy $8 in breakfast. So that's gonna mean more than 4 boxes to hit that threshold. Because they are $1.99 a piece, I can't be 4 pennies short. So I'm gonna grab 5 boxes of cereal, use the store coupon for $2 off, use manufacturer's coupons on all of those boxes. Here's the math for that though. If you bought 5 boxes, let's round up for easy math, that's $10. Minus $2 in the store coupon, that's $8. minus 50 cents a piece on each of those 5 boxes. That means you're now saving $2.50 just on the manufacturer's coupon. So you're now paying $5.50 for 5 boxes of cereal. That's $1.10 a box and a really great price. So grab any brands you want, Kellogg's, General Mills, and Post for those deals. Definitely, if you have the store coupon, it's a deal I wouldn't miss. Definitely a price point to stock up on. One more deal on food that I would definitely grab this week is Digiorno Pizza. Guys, this is not a product that we would normally ever purchase in the drugstores, but this week they are on sale 2 for $11. When you grab 2 of them, you're gonna get back a $2 extra care buck. And we have $1.50 coupons for this that were in the 12/8 inserts. So after the coupons, after the rewards, you're gonna pay $3 a pizza. Not a bad price for a 12-inch Digiorno pizza. So grab 2 of them, use 2 $1.50 coupons. If you don't have the 12/8 inserts, you have one other option. There is a CVS digital coupon for $5 off of 3 pizzas. So I only need to grab 2 for the reward, but you're still gonna have a pretty great price grabbing 3 and then using that $5 store digital coupon. So you've got 2 options there. I really only need to grab 2, so using the manufacturer's coupons from the 12/8 Retail Me Not is the best option. But if you need to, throw in that 3rd pizza and just use the digital. It's definitely one to add to your cart though, and an easy way to save on something that I'm pretty sure we all eat. All of these deals that I've mentioned, guys, by the way, all end Saturday night, 12/28. There's one deal that's gonna start mid-week, which might actually be when I post this video, because who knows how quickly my husband's gonna get it edited over Christmas. So the day after Christmas, CVS has already advertised that all of their Christmas gear is gonna be 50% off. So if your store has Christmas themed candy, Christmas decor, and some items that they've deemed gifts will already be 50% off the day after Christmas. So add that one to your list too. If you're shopping later in the week, it's one to not miss. And you should be hitting those clearance deals everywhere, not just CVS, but they're one store that started by advertising in the beginning of the week that they would be starting it the day after Christmas. So there you go, guys. There's a ton of deals to grab today. Just to give you a recap on what I did the Charmin Bounty Scott paper towel, grabbed a bottle of Tide, and grabbed 2 Kleenex wet wipes. So that was my huge deal basically, and Digiorno pizzas. That's all that I grabbed today. Total spent for everything, $2.71. That's pretty fun. Out of pocket, real money, $2.71. Getting back $2 for the pizza, $10 from the Scott deal, and $5 from the Charmin Bounty deal. So in the end, that's $17 back in rewards. That's a fun day to only spend $2.71. Now, I had a lot of extra care bucks. So to be completely honest with you, and just so you can see how that works, I had $34 in extra care bucks that expired today. I took it down to the wire. I also had a $10 care pass. I did not use my care pass because it's good for a little while longer. That is part of being part of the CVS Care Pass program, which if you coupon, you should be a part of. You get $10 to spend every month. Mine rolls over on the 21st each month, so it just rolled over. I can use it in another week. I did not use it today. I had a CVS $10 gift card from one of the previous week's deals as well. So I used that $10 gift card and $34 in extra care bucks. So used basically $44 in rewards, but spent $2.71 out of pocket, got back $17 in rewards to use for another week in CVS. And that's the fun of it. Yes, I used rewards, and this wasn't I got back everything that I spent. But guys, I got a ton of toilet paper and paper towels and laundry, things that we will use, and spent really nothing in comparison to what it's worth. That's why you CVS. You play the game. You buy the money makers that you may not need when you have the coupons that line up for those money makers, so that you have the extra rewards to buy the paper towel deals and the toilet paper deals. Now, I did not do the Yes To deal Really, I'm kind of in a hurry. My mother-in-law is at home ready to do Christmas celebrations, so I couldn't really sit here and grab a bunch of coupons. I needed to use my extra care box before they expired, so I focused on paper good deals so I could run in and run out. But if you are shopping, I would grab the moneymaker on Yes to the free JOA Cosmetics if your store sells it, and then all the other things that I mentioned. So I hope you guys have had a great Christmas and that you are not gonna miss out on these deals and leave the scissors sitting there this week. I would head to the store and do some shopping. One other thing before I head out, do not forget that CVS Beauty Club rewards do not roll over to the new year. So make sure that you log into your CVS account or you pull up your CVS app and you see how close you are to your next CVS Beauty Club. If you're within $2 or $3, buying those $2 or $3 is gonna give you a $3 reward. You should buy them because come January 1st, your balance is gonna be reset to 0 and you'll start earning new rewards. The program doesn't go away, it just resets at the beginning of the year, and that's a bummer to learn if you were really close to your next reward that you completely missed it. So keep tabs on that and make sure if you are close that you go ahead and you grab items now because come 1/1, you're gonna start over. So didn't want to miss that one either. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe so that you can catch all the weekly deals as we post them. And have a great holiday.